Hey everybody, this is Robert from Kapwing, and this iconic image next to me recently sold for $600,000 at an online auction. If that comes as a shock, then let me be first to welcome you to the brave new world of NFTs and crypto art. In this tutorial today, I'll show you everything you need to know to get started creating your first NFT, putting it on an online marketplace, and hopefully making some money from it. Let's get started. NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's an alien-esque term that I don't like saying aloud, but you can think of it as a digital certificate of authenticity. In real life, classic works of art, antiques, and other historical items are often sold at auctions with a receipt certifying that they are genuine. NFTs serve the same purpose, but for digital items. They allow GIFs, videos, JPEGs, MP3s, and just about any other file format to be certified as one of a kind. This technology enables a new kind of ownership for digital files that wasn't previously possible. So now that we know a little more about NFTs and what can be an NFT, let's go step by step through the process of creating and listing your first NFT for sale. And you won't need any crypto experience to do this. So there's gonna be 4 steps today. First, we're gonna set up a new crypto wallet. This is where we'll store the Ethereum cryptocurrency that is used to pay the fees that are associated with putting an NFT for sale. Second, we're gonna buy a little bit of the Ethereum cryptocurrency. You'll need this to cover those fees I just mentioned. Third, you'll connect your new crypto wallet to one of the popular NFT marketplaces. You'll use your wallet to authenticate everything you do to keep us secure. And then fourth, we'll actually go through the process of listing your art and turning it into an NFT. Okay, so we're starting out here in the iOS App Store, and I'm on the Rainbow Ethereum wallet. Now, there are tons of different wallets you can use to buy NFTs and to store the Ethereum crypto coin. So for this tutorial today, I'm using Rainbow because I find this wallet to be super simple. It's where I got my start, and I'm still using it to this day. But I actually did a full write-up on how to create your own NFT over on the Kapwing website. I'll drop a link to that down in the description. I go over some other wallets there, so if you're not comfortable with this one or you want to try something else, there's definitely a lot of options out there, but we are using Rainbow for this tutorial today. So I've already downloaded this app, so I'm just gonna tap open here from the App Store and I'm gonna go right into the wallet. So I just created a new wallet called Kapwing, and it's super simple right here inside the app. It uses Apple Pay to cover transactions, so you can just tap any of these buttons, $50, $100, $250, and add Ethereum right into your account. So I would recommend starting with around $100 if you are planning to mint and create your own new NFT. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, because it is. But currently there are pretty high fees associated with making new NFTs. It's something else I go over in that article, link in description. But yeah, $100 should be enough to get you covered for your first NFT. These gas fees fluctuate all the time, but they have been quite high lately with a lot of the excitement around this technology. So you'll want to start out by buying around $100 worth of Ethereum. Now you can just use Apple Pay to immediately cover this and have it sent into your wallet. If you're on Android, I'm not entirely sure what the payment method is, but I know there is a Rainbow wallet available for Android, and the standard payment methods you'd use in Android should apply there as well. So start here in the Rainbow wallet and add some Ethereum into your account. Now that your crypto wallet is all set up, we are ready to actually link it to one of the NFT marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and create your own NFTs. So for this demo today, I'm gonna show you how to do this on Rarible.com. This is one of the most accessible NFT marketplaces. There's no invite required, and it's very easy to get started. This is where I created my first NFT. So we'll head over to Rarible.com. I'll drop a link in the description. And once you're on this main page, you'll just click this connect button up in the corner. It'll take you to this screen where you have a bunch of different wallet connections. You'll see here, there's like Fortmatic, Wallet Connect, Wallet Link. So these are all different apps that connect different crypto wallets to their marketplace. If you're using the Rainbow wallet that I suggested in the first step, then we're gonna use Wallet Connect. But if you're using a different wallet, you may need to further explore which one of these options is best for you. So I'll start by clicking Wallet Connect here, and it's gonna bring up this QR code. So I will just go into my Rainbow app and I'll slide over to this screen that shows the camera, and I'll just go over that QR code, and there it says Rarible wants to connect your wallet. So I'll just tap connect, and you'll see here, right as I tap connect, I'm now logged in to my Rarible account. It's automatically created an account that's linked to my wallet only. So from here, we can actually move on and start to buy or create our first NFT. So for the part we've all been waiting for, how to actually turn a piece of content into an NFT. So I'm here in the Kapwing Studio Editor, and I'm on an image that I actually made for the NFT article I recently wrote. So this is a pretty simple project. It's a couple image layers, some text, a nice gradient in the background. Kapwing is actually a great option for creating NFTs because it enables you to simply create all kinds of content, whether it be an image like this one, a GIF, a video, all kinds of content that can be turned into NFTs can be made in Kapwing. So definitely go check us out, link in description as well. So I have this NFT graphic that I made for my article, and I want to download this now and take it over to Rarible and mint it as my first NFT. So my first NFT will quite literally be my graphic of an NFT. So I'll click export image here in Kapwing, and that takes me to the screen where I can now download my content. So I'll click download, and now I've got a copy of this image saved to my hard drive. So we'll switch back over to Rarible now. And once you're signed in, you should see this create button up here in the corner. So I'm going to click create. And now we have a selection to make. Do I want to mint this NFT as one of one, like the only version of this image that's available on the blockchain that can be bought and sold? Or do I want to mint a few copies of it? Maybe it's one of 10, maybe it's one of 70. So for the sake of rarity and making this a true one of one, I'm just gonna select single here. Now this next page is very similar to the upload screens you've seen in other apps. It's very familiar. It's kind of reminds me of uploading a video on YouTube. So I'll just click here to upload my file. Let me find it. There it is. Select it and upload it. And then it kind of shows you a thumbnail of it here. And then you can start to make some other selections. You can, choose whether or not you want to put it on sale or just create it as an NFT to keep in your own crypto wallet. So I'm going to put it on sale. I can set an instant sale price. You can kind of think of this as like a buy now price that you'd see on eBay. This is the price that I'd want for somebody to immediately be able to purchase it. If I don't select that, then it does just go to a regular auction where people make bids and I can choose to accept them or not. And then you could also, if you've created a really rich piece of content, do this unlock when purchased option. And that allows you to link to maybe like a website or a Dropbox or something where people can download like a high quality version of the file or get some other, special extras that come with the NFT. Maybe like a video of you creating it or, some more background around how it was made. And those are kind of nice little extras to bundle in. So I don't have any of those to offer. So I'm just gonna go in and it'll ask you, put a name, put a description. So I'll say NFT token. And for the description, I'll say what I imagine an NFT looks like. Then you'll see down here this royalties selection. This is actually really cool. So you can set a royalty amount, and then anytime this NFT is sold in the future to someone else, you will actually receive this percentage of a royalty of that sale. This is one of the things that makes NFTs really special for creators, is that they can continue profiting off their work well after they've sold it for the first time, something that doesn't really happen in the traditional art world. So usually you see royalties of around 10 to 30%. So I'll set this around 20%. And now that I have all of my information entered here, I'll just click create item. And then next, it's actually going to send a request to my Rainbow wallet to accept this transaction. So if I go into Rainbow here and I scroll over, you'll see here it is. It's got the transaction request to go ahead and create this NFT. I haven't bought any Ethereum, so it says that my balance is too low. And then you can see down here at the bottom of the screen, you have the network fee that's going to be associated with actually going and minting this NFT today. So you'll just complete the transaction right here in your wallet, and then back on screen, it'll actually start to do the rest of the process of minting it. So once you've actually minted your content and paid for all of the fees, this is what it's gonna look like. You'll see it right here on Rarible. It's got a full transaction history. You can view bids that are placed on it, and it's now live, and you were able to do it in just a few minutes. And that's how you create your first NFT. We started by making a new crypto wallet. Next, we bought some Ethereum, and then we linked our wallet to an NFT marketplace like Rarible.com. Finally, we uploaded our content and minted it into an NFT. Now, there's a lot more that could be said about crypto art and NFTs, but I'm gonna leave it there for now. If you found this video helpful today, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. NFTs are still in their infancy, and I think there's a lot more tutorials that we could do on them in the future, so getting your feedback and hearing whether or not this stuff is helpful is great, and it helps us out a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.